Are you excited to unbox it?
See, I got some gifts from my cousin sister Rihanna. I wonder what is inside that. Wow. See, I got, oh mama, I got jellies. Jellies are my favorite. I got country cookies. Actually, it's chocolate cookies. Magic pops. I got magic pops again, which is pink and yellow. They are both my favorite colors. I got Kinder Joy. I wonder what surprise is in this. My dress. The dress that we wear. It's pretty big, but it's okay. Put me inside. Oh, there's lots of princess. There's Ariel, Jasmine. This is Jasmine. And this is Sadie. And this is the puppy. Cinderella again. Merida. Next is some crowns. Now I'm going to start wearing. Let me see. This is a pinkish one. I love pink. And super beautiful. Now it is beautiful. I'm a princess. Oh, shoes. This is the last surprise roller stamper marker. I'm going to start using it. Different types of colors. Go and enjoy my gifts. Bye bye. Let me start it. Thank you, Big Papa. Thank you, Miyama. Thank you, Rehan.